Place value is one of the most essential concepts in mathematics, and it needs to feel real to children. Before we ever jump into carrying or borrowing in vertical addition or subtraction, students need to experience what happens when a digit shifts from one place to another. That change in value isn't something to memorize, it's something to understand. In the story of place value, we explore this idea through imagination. There's a story of a castle where doors open and close, and there are fun characters who carry items in specific ways. This hands-on printable helps children read large numbers, helps them write numbers in expanded form, and helps them grasp what those numbers truly mean. These concepts are all grounded in the vivid imagery of the course's story. If you're a teacher or a homeschooling parent, it's a fun way to see how comfortable your child is reading and understanding large numbers. In a classroom, it can be a shared activity. Students can quiz one another, explore, and play with numbers. You can even place several castle sliders side by side. This way you can explore numbers in the millions, and you can bring math to life, one story at a time. Follow the link in the description below to get your copy, and come imagine math with me.